Have you ever wondered why a baby kangaroo is called a joey, or why we refer to baby birds as chicks? Isn't it fascinating how the animal kingdom is brimming with such diversity, especially when it comes to their offspring? Each species has its unique term, a testament to the variety that nature has to offer. It's a captivating journey of exploration and discovery, unraveling the reasons behind the names of these young creatures. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the intriguing world of animals and their young, so stay tuned. Starting with mammals, did you know that a baby elephant is called a calf, just like a baby cow? Yes, that's right. The term calf isn't exclusive to cows alone. It's a common name for the young of many large mammalian species, including elephants, whales, and moose. Moving on, let's talk about kangaroos. These marsupials from down under carry their young, known as joeys, in pouches. This unique parenting behavior is a characteristic of marsupials, a group that also includes animals like koalas and possums. The name joey doesn't have a known etymology, but it is used for all young marsupials, not just kangaroos. Similarly, the young ones of bears and seals are called cubs. The term cub is thought to have been derived from the old Irish word cuib, meaning a young dog or wolf, which later evolved to include the offspring of other large carnivorous mammals. Now let's dive into the world of primates. The young ones of our closest animal relatives like monkeys, gorillas, and, of course, humans, are known as infants. This name comes from the Latin word infans, which means unable to speak, a characteristic shared by all young primates. Next we have the felines. Baby cats, whether they're domestic kittens or wild lion cubs, are known for their playful behavior. This playfulness is actually an important part of their development, as it helps them learn essential skills for hunting and social interaction. Our journey through the world of mammals wouldn't be complete without mentioning the cetaceans. These marine mammals, which include whales and dolphins, have young called calves. Mothers are known to be incredibly protective of their calves, often keeping them close and teaching them necessary survival skills. From the towering elephants to the bounding kangaroos, from the mighty bears to the playful felines, and from our primate relatives to the elegant cetaceans, the world of mammals and their offspring is diverse and fascinating. It's a testament to the incredible variety of life on our planet, each with its unique ways of raising the next generation. From calves to joeys, the world of mammals and their offspring is diverse and fascinating. Moving on to the feathered friends of our planet, a baby bird, regardless of the species, is commonly known as a chick. Birds, with their vibrant colors and enchanting songs, are a delight to observe, especially when it comes to the fascinating bond between parent birds and their chicks. Different birds have unique ways of parenting. For instance, penguin parents take turns incubating their egg and feeding their young, whereas robins teach their fledglings how to fly and hunt worms. In the world of eagles, the parents often push their young out of the nest, encouraging them to spread their wings and soar. This might seem harsh, but it's the way of the wild, teaching the young the essential skills they need to survive. And speaking of names, the terminology for young birds is as diverse as the birds themselves. Swan babies are known as cygnets, while baby eagles are eaglets. Some bird species young are called nestlings when they are too young to leave the nest, and fledglings when they are just learning to fly. In the end, the world of birds is a mesmerizing one, filled with incredible diversity and fascinating behaviors. It's a world where life lessons are taught on the wing, and where survival is an art passed down from generation to generation. Whether a nestling, fledgling, or cygnet, the world of birds and their young ones is just as varied and interesting. Lastly, let's not forget our scaled, slimy, and aquatic friends. Reptiles such as turtles and snakes hatch from eggs into mini versions of their parents. Similarly, most amphibians like frogs start life as tadpoles, undergoing a fascinating transformation to adulthood. Then, there's the fish world, where babies, known as fry, often fend for themselves from the moment they're hatched. It's a tough world out there, but these creatures have adapted in remarkable ways. From tadpoles to fry, the world underwater and on land continues to amaze us. From the land to the sea, from the skies to underground, the animal kingdom is bustling with life and diversity. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish, discovering the unique ways they care for their young. Whether it's a kangaroo joey nestled in a pouch or a nest full of chirping bird chicks, each species has its own remarkable story. Next time you spot a baby animal, you'll know what to call it. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious about the wonderful world of animals.